Ako suka. Kakaloka. Indonesia indah. Oh my gosh, sedikit bahasa. Raka, aku rindu kamu. Semoga hari kamu bagus. I only know sedikit bahasa. Sorry. Apa kabar, Raka? Hello to my 102 viewers. My name is Arya. Apa kabar? Nama saya Arya. I'm from the Philippines. Will you marry me? Please call yes. If I say yes, Dewa, I will say yes if you give me 1,000 rockets. 1,000 rockets. You know 1,000 rocket? You go to the gift section, you give me 1,000. Goddess ka ata. Oh my gosh, I'm just a normal human being. Indonesian island, all people. Yes! All of you are Indonesian. Apa kabar? Please teach me Indonesian so I can talk to you. I would love to talk to you, but I'm only sedikit bahasa. Hi, Kaselek UP! Hello! Where are you from? Everybody here is from Indonesia. Request one song. Okay. What's your song? Our cheeks are the same. What do you mean? Is like this? Like our cheeks are like this, Raka? Martin Garrix, I Can Fly. Okay. I will do this for you. Do I get a prize? Do I get a prize, Imran, if I play it? Do I get a prize? Do I get a prize? Males, more than 1,000 rocket, but I will buy you a luxury house. How can you promise me? Can you promise me, Dewa? How do you promise? Arya kamu, apa kabar? Baik-baik. Baik-baik, terima kasih. DM. Will you give me a prize? What's your prize to me, Imran, if I play I Can Fly? Our cheeks are the same because my cheeks are like this because I love to eat. I like to makan. From Indonesian. Yes, I know. How you promise me? Where's the house? Avicii, Martin Garrix. Okay. Will you give me something, Imran, if I play? Will you give me a gift? Will you give me a gift, Imran, if I play? I call you, please. Where? You can add me on Instagram. You can talk to me on Instagram. Raka. Will you give me a gift, Imran, if I play I Can Fly? Hello, 77. I have no IG. Wow. You can add... Oh, why? Why no IG? Why no IG, Raka? Bieber, I Can Fly. Okay. I will play I Can Fly, but do I get a gift, Imran? I don't have money. Oh, then, why no money? It's okay. Okay, I will play. Maybe I will play for you one more, okay? I play for you one more. I play one. Hi, Ken! Welcome! How are you? Glad you could come to my stream. Why are you online so early? Thank you for passing by. I do not think it matters. That's good. It's good. That's good. That's good. Baik-baik, Raka. I think that if I don't have Facebook, I think that's good. I don't want to send 1,000 rockets, but I will be happy with 1,000 rockets here. I'm still finishing up my article for submission. Oh, which, ano, where? Where? Enak ataw tidak lagunya. What does that mean? Hi, TDHGAAE. Welcome. Where are you from? Enak, what's that mean? And now, I want to learn English with you through line. I have no line. Rappler starred Manila Times. Oh, good luck, Ken. How's it going so far? You almost done? I want to learn English with you through line. I don't have line. What's your years? Secret. I only tell you my years if you send me 1 rocket. And then I message you my years. And now, ataw. Google Translate. Why rocket when compared to the full love? Because I need to know first if your love is real. And now, ataw, not the song. She's 94. I'm a vampire. Rocket made in Russia on the way. Where? Where, Imran? I am done. I'm just submitting it. Oh, good luck. Sorry, Raka. You can teach me here. Imran, send. I want video call with you. I am pretty as a woman, Dame. Are you pretty, Ken? How pretty are you? I want to video call with you. I have no line. I have only Instagram. I only video call after 1 rocket. I have a crush on my female version. Congratulations. How's Hopya, by the way? I will video call with you only. Usually my rule is that for me, I can video call. They give me a rocket. A rocket cannot bring us a happy life, but the love and loyalty that leads us to. Okay. Thank you, Dewa. Hi, Rizal. Welcome back. Kamusta? Hi, baby talaga. Lakas mo mga baby, oh. Hello. Kamusta? How are you? Bakit hindi ka makatulog, Rizal? Hello to my 92 viewers. Please follow me here in Tamago. We are almost at 1,000 followers. I already have 967. Terima kasih for following me. And please do send some gold balls. Terima kasih. Thank you. Well, Ani. Tell me a story. Hi, TDHGAAI. Where are you from? Tell me a story. I cannot sleep. How old are you, baby? I'll only tell you my age. Rizal, I'll only tell you my age if you give me a rocket. Deal? I'll tell you my age if you give me a rocket. And then I'll message you personally on Instagram. And then you will know. But that's our secret. That's after if you give me 1 rocket. Or 5 gold max balls. Then you will know. And then, you get to talk to me. You get to talk to me on my messenger. Statue kasi si Rizal. You know how high, you know how tall is Rizal? 5 feet, 4'11". He's 4'11". Sarah Rizal is 4'11". Hello to my 96 viewers. Why can you not sleep? Why are you online? Kenmikaze Rocket. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that, Rocket. Can you speak Malay, dear? Only a little bit. I'm confused with Malay. Bahasa. Will you marry me without 1,000 rockets? No. That's my condition, Dewa. I will only marry you after 1,000 rockets. If you want to be my boyfriend, it's only 5 rockets. 5 rockets to be my boyfriend on Tamago. Can you speak Malay? Only a little bit. Can you speak Malay? Yeah. Sedikit. Sedikit bahasa. Where are you from? Austin Carlisle. What's up? Nothing is free. I'm trying to figure out which pictures of mine are nice so I can send it. Guys, if you want to request a song, I can give you, all you have to do is to just send a gold ball. Thank you for the eggs, Raka. Thank you. Raka, why are you not sleeping? Which part you in Indo? I'm not in Indonesia. I'm from Manila. I'm from the Philippines. I'm Pinay. I'm Pinay. I'll make myself look Chinese. Ooh. No, I don't look Chinese. Why can you not sleep? Cannot sleep. Why? Why can you not sleep, Raka? Are you going to dream of me? Putting on my eyeliner. It's 3:42. Why are you, everyone, all 87, why are you not sleeping? I can't sleep because I'm looking for ideas for my novel. Oh, you'll find a lot here. Because I think of you. Oh, terima kasih. Terima kasih, Raka. Thank you for... Where you learn Malay? From my friends here on Tamago. I learned because of Raka's friend, Hakim. Hakim, my friend Hakim here. I met him here in Tamago. He taught me how to speak a lot of Malay. He taught me how. Very, very much. A lot, a lot, a lot. Like Raka. Raka is Chomel. Ah! You, Rizal, you know how to speak Malay? See, I know, sedikit. Sedikit. Ha, terima kasih. Laywa may ikaw, Chailag. Pumay. I don't know what you said, Ken. Rizal is the first Malay. Rizal is the... What do you mean? Hello to my 109 viewers. Apa kabar? Nama saya Arya. Where do you come from? I'm from the Philippines. I said I don't... I'm from the Philippines, Raka. Manila.